Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa have some catfish with me today. Catfish is very suitable for stir frying. So I'm going to stir fry with ginger and also scallion, spring onion today. So we are going to prep the catfish shortly, but let me show you what are the ingredients needed. Actually very simple. Catfish already cut and washed, spring onion, especially the white portion here, the lower bottom, and then a lot of pieces of ginger slices and some garlic. Now, actually, if you want to stir fry ginger scallion, the best type of ginger is to use young ginger. Appa don't have young ginger with me today, so I just use the normal old ginger. Many people told me it's easier to follow Appa if I show them at one glance what are the sauce that I use. So these are the things that I use seasoning. I have some, this is cornstarch, this is sugar, this is Shaoxing wine, fine salt, my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, light soya sauce, and some oyster sauce for this dish. Let's quickly marinate the catfish. Give it a little bit of light soya sauce or fish sauce, up to you. A bit of Shaoxing wine. Mix it out a bit. And we shall give it a little bit of cornstarch powder. Right, we can then set it aside. Let's give it a little bit of vegetable oil and heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in the ginger and also garlic, saute it a bit. Oh, and some white portion of the scallion. Why people use young ginger for this dish normally? Because young ginger gives you even better aroma, You really can tell the difference whether or not the restaurant is using young ginger and old ginger for this dish. You can tell. Ooh, very fragrant already. Appa is a ginger person, so I put in a little bit more ginger today, You don't have to use as much. Right, and you start seeing some garlic started to brown. Now we can put in the marinated fish. Not all fish can be stir fried like this. You do have to take note. Because a lot of fish, when you stir fry like this, it will actually break, It will disintegrate. So for those fish that can disintegrate, but you want to stir fry like this, what you can do is go through one more step, which is you fry that fish first. Okay, you deep fry that fish first, then you can actually use any type of fish to make to cook it into this manner. Catfish, no need. See, it doesn't break at all. But if you are putting in things like snapper, most likely it will break already. Or you put in siakap, barramundi, it will break also. So those fish you can actually deep fry first, deep fry until it is fully cooked, then only you come here and stir fry, okay? Just add one more step. So you basically can use any type of fish for this dish. Ooh, really nice. Very fragrant right now. Now we want to 炝锅, Chinese say 炝锅. English, I don't know how to say it. Basically, when we say 炝锅, we bring out the flavor of the wok. That's the meaning of 炝锅. It's using Shaoxing wine. Then you pour at the side. That's how you 炝锅. Alright? Alright. Ooh, rice. You can really smell things here. Okay, after the starching wine, you put in some water here. Later we will starch this, yeah? So it will still become very thick. So we have filtered water. Let's give it some oyster sauce. About 1 tablespoon. This bottle is finishing. A little bit of light soy sauce. A bit of my cooking apa chicken salt powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore or any Vietnamese restaurant throughout the whole Malaysia. A little bit of sugar. A little bit of fine salt. Almost done. If you prefer deeper color, you can put in some dark soy sauce, okay? I prefer this color, so I'm not putting in dark soy sauce. So now, the fish is like almost cooked already. I just want to cover it with a lid. Let me find a lid. Cover it. Tune down the fire to about medium low. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. Then I'll come back shortly. This is after about 2-3 minutes. The fish is definitely cooked, looking at the color. The sauce also thickened out by itself. Now I have some remaining spring onion. And put in some starch solution so that the sauce can actually coat on the fish even better. Last few stir, now we can off the fire actually. Final few stir and done. Oh, I forgot I actually already starched the fish earlier. Never mind. So it's a little bit too thick today if you ask me, but it's fine. Still going to taste really good. So if you starch earlier, actually now you don't have to starch it. Huh? I forgot I starched it earlier when I do the marinade. Ready to be served. Alright, so here's our very simple stir-fry fish with spring onion, ginger and spring onion, or ginger scallion. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.